Inateck, the pioneer of AI barcode scanner. Easy AI configuration and customer service.
Traditional scanners waste time, find manuals, scan codes, delays, but not anymore now. By using Inateck Scanner app, you just tell us your demand by text command or voice command in our AI assistants. Without even searching for settings on app, anything you like can be understand and set up instantly. For example, if you need to adjust the scanner volume, just type your command, and it's done. If you're not comfortable typing, try saying something like this.
It's dark now. Please help me turn on the lights.
The AI automatically recognizes and understands your voice input, helping you complete the setup quickly. In addition, this AI is your 24/7 tech ally. Stuck on an issue? Describe it verbally or by text. Find the solutions in real time. For example,
how to pop up the virtual keyboard.
Our AI can swiftly and efficiently comprehend your issues and deliver accurate and effective solutions.
Efficient AI data processing and customization.
For traditional data processing, you need to dig through manuals, or even wait for tech support for sophisticated customization. Not anymore now. With the Inateck AI scanner, just speak or type your command. From simple tweaks to advanced automation, our AI scanner understands and processes very well. Your words, typed or spoken, we listen. For instance, if you want to add prefixes to barcodes, just can text like this. Or speak it. But here's the kicker, not only easy customization can be done easily, AI also handles complex multi-step edits effortlessly. For example,
if the barcode begins with a letter, the first 3 characters should be deleted. And if it is not beginning with a letter, keep the complete barcode.
Even when handling intricate data processing tasks, our AI maintains effortless efficiency to optimize your time investment.
Easy upgrade online.
You can also stay updated effortlessly of our latest software. One tap in the app to get new upgrades or fixes, no IT tickets, no downtime. You can use our app on mobile, tablet or PC in different systems. And use open source SDKs to integrate into your system in hours, not a month.
Inateck, the pioneer of AI barcode scanner.